I'm Angela May, the Culinary Director at Delicier, and today I'm going to be making an air-fried prawn salad with a miso ginger dressing. I'm using the Philips XXL air fryer with new smart sensing technology. Whether you're a novice chef or a home cook, you can create healthy, restaurant-quality meals in your own home. Today, I'm going to start off by putting in my corn on the cob. This, I just want to have it air-fried a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the air fryer on and use the manual mode to do my corn on the cob. I want to turn my temperature up to 165 degrees for 10 minutes. So instead of using the smart sensing technology where I would normally just put a chicken inside and then they would go ahead and determine how long to cook the chicken and at what temperature to cook the chicken. If you want to see that, you can actually check out one of my other recipes in another video. But here I go, 165 for 10 minutes for my air fried corn on the cob. Oh, perfect. Next, I want to air fry some tomatoes for the salad. Now this is already on 165 degrees, so I'm just gonna give myself 6 minutes. Okay, now the tomatoes are done. Oh, those are gorgeous. I'm gonna start prepping my prawns, sliding them in. And this is my miso ginger dressing. I've went ahead and I've already made this, but you can actually just go and buy some dressing that you really like from the Japanese food market and use that on top of your prawns. And then now we'll just go ahead and put the prawns in nicely. Down to 3 seconds. My prawns are done. Let's go ahead and assemble our beautiful salad. Let's get some of this dressing inside. Look at how nicely they were air fried. They look like they've just been roasted in an oven. Look at this. This is our super healthy prawn salad with miso ginger dressing. Now this salad only took me a couple of minutes to put together and it cooked so fast and I can't wait to try it. With these beautifully cooked prawns and then this salad that is just in this light miso ginger dressing. I love it when prawns are just barely cooked through like that. It's so nice. It's such a refreshing salad and that beautiful like roasted tomato kind of feeling because they were in the air fryer. That is a lovely salad, very light and very, very refreshing. And I feel like I'm doing something good for my health as well. Now stay tuned for my next video where I even make a dessert in the air fryer. It's so versatile. You wouldn't believe the fun things that we can put inside.